Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm gonna show you the best way to get the shopping, to get the shopping, to get the shopping mission done. Okay, so I know there's challenges here, right? And the survey one is pretty easy because you just go in and put whatever you want. Okay, that's, but just know you have a probability of getting banned. But yeah, that's just that. But the Atlas shopping mission, this one is pretty easy in most cases, but you do need $5 or $10 if you have taxes. Okay, so complete shopping mission. When you go to the shopping mission, you go to earn. Okay, and then you're gonna want to go to Atlas shopping. Okay, and once you go here, you don't have to do any of these, okay, unless you go to Baskin Robbins, unless you go to Boston Market, okay, whatever, okay. So so yeah, if you don't want to go to any of these places, okay, the easiest place and the cheapest thing would be going to the Atlas Earth merch store. And I promise you, this is not a sponsor, okay? I don't know why it keeps going to this, but okay. So then once you go here, it's going to say activate and earn. Okay, you're going to activate and earn. You're going to take the code that it gives you, okay? So you have 14 days to redeem with this code. You take this and you go shop on the website. Okay. So they gave you the URL. Let's go on a website and let's go to the website. So you're gonna go to your browser, a browser that you use, right? And hold up, this bottom thing is, oh my lord. Okay, go to a browser that you use, okay, and then we'll put it into the comments here. All right, I'm just going to close out other tabs here, and we're going to paste the code. All right, so I just pasted the URL here, and from here you can see what they got on here. They got the world traveler luggage, they got the hat, they got the hoodie, they got the mug. Oh wait. There we go. There's a sticker. Okay. This is the cheapest thing you can get on the market. Trust me, believe. I looked up and down. If there's anything, it is the cheapest thing. Okay. You go on here. Okay. Once you go on here, you click on this. Okay. You buy this for 5 balls. Okay. However you want to do it, there's no way to cancel. So that's something. But yeah, you buy it. You have to link your card though. Link your card. Whatever card you use to buy this sticker, you have to link the card that you use. Okay. So when you go here and add it, you have to go link it. So if you don't have that linked, make sure you go back to the App Store. Okay. Go back to Atlas Earth. I'm going to show you here. So I guess I should have told you, but you have to go to the 3 dots on the top right. Then you have to go to my cards. Okay. And then you have to add your cards here. Okay. The cards that are on here is the only cards that are going to register on this shopping thing. So once you do that, then you go back to the stickers here and then you're able to buy it with that card. I'll see y'all on the next video. Okay. Peace.